stay happy, stay safe, stay jolly. Oh! Drop the thing. Keep printing. Have a wonderful evening and a Merry Printmas. Let's get one of these a try, shall we? Oh, they do look delicious. Just made them out of Play-Doh. Oh, dear me, Father Christmas is sat on his own baubles. Oh, it's going to take more than a hook to get those back. There's no such thing as an elf workers' union. Now Father Printmas remembers the 80s and the 90s. Getting mushrooms from Italian plumbers, running around and jumping on imaginary turtles. I also played a lot of computer games as well.
Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing.
Feeling like I've been run over by my own sleigh. Oh dear, poor Father Printmas. I'm the bad guy. Duh. Oh God. What do you mean I look like Bane? Antler. It's a funny word, Antler. You, elf, come on, hurry up with the Alka-Seltzer. Father Printmas has got a printing headache. Tell them to stay outside in the snow. They're reindeer. They'll get used to the rain. It's in their name. And it's still a long way to the 24th. He's really regretting this, Father Printmas. Oh, also there's Christmas as well, but who cares about that when you have Disney Plus?